Guys, good morning. Too early to start your Sunday morning. Currently it's 9 a.m. But today is Independence Day, so I had to wake up early. मेरी मम्मी स्कूल गई है for Independence Day celebration. So was my dad, and now I'm home alone. They will be back like in 1 hour or so, and I'm having my morning cold coffee. I needed that caffeine in my body right now because today is going to be a very long day. I haven't planned the day yet, but I know that I have to do a Independence Day eye look. I just have to do an eye look, not the whole makeup, because I haven't shot any Independence Day content till now. Actually, I thought that I should, but then I was like, no, I don't think that like Independence Day is all about that. But since everyone is doing it, I was like, okay, I should do it as well. So yeah, I'm going to do it right now, and I'm going to post it maybe in the evening time because I have to post a branded content today as well. So yeah, so that's how my day is gonna be, and also I have to attend my college event as well. So I changed my location because my parents are back and my mom got me my breakfast. रिमेंबर लाइक हम जब स्कूल डेज में थे, हम जब सेलिब्रेट करने जाते थे इंडिपेंडेंस डे, तो हम लोग को ऐसे ही मिलता था लाइक अ पैकेट ऑफ लाइक बड़ा आलू चॉप एंड ऑल. सो या इट्स वेरी नॉस्टैल्जिक फॉर मी, बट it's advantage that your mom is a teacher, so she gets me everything. Make sure that I'll show you, like सब कुछ online ही होने वाला है, so I'll make sure that I'll add few clips of my event as well. I have participated in that too. That could be it, and also it's a Sunday, so I'm thinking of a self pampering session as well, so I'm gonna do it. Like my hair is so dehydrated and all. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, so I'm almost done with my eye makeup. I just have to add falsies and also do my like low lashes as well. The blending looks so good. I think I'm going to add glitters here and there. I think you must have seen this already in my feed, but yeah, you can see bed पे पूरा मैंने mess करके रखा है. I have to clean that up as well. So I'll just quickly finish this look and click some pictures, and then I'll be back. I'm done with my college event, and guess what, I got second place in selfie competition, which was unexpected actually because it was a last minute entry for me, but anyways I got it. I just received these Mars Butter Matte lipsticks and I'm wearing the shade Job Interview. This shade is so amazing. I'll be doing a review super duper soon. Currently it's 12:30 and I need to pamper myself right now. So yeah, a few products to show you guys right now, and I'm sure that you guys are going to love it. So let's just quickly move on to our pampering session. Ojiva Natural Infusion Nourish and Growth Hair Mask is a blend of 11 highly effective plant-based ingredients. This deep conditioning hair mask adds moisture, shine, and strength to your hair by reducing frizziness, breakage, and damage. It also helps to increase hydration to your hair, which helps in improving your hair texture. Going to use this hair mask for the very first time, and so this would be my first impression, and let's see how it works because I'm very excited to try it out. So I'll just quickly read what it's written. So first we have to part your hair in 2 halves, then scoop out a dollop of hair mask onto your palm, apply generously to wet hair and scalp, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off with a sulfate free shampoo. Okay, so I guess I have to wet my hair for that. So I'll just quickly go and wet my hair a little bit and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I wet my hair a little bit, and now I'm going to use the mask. Have wet hair, no, you should be very careful while you are combing your hair, because at this point of time your hair is very weak, so you have to be very gentle on your hair when your hair is wet. Okay, so I've divided my hair into 2 halves. Now I'll just take a scoop of it like this. I guess बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, but let's see. We are going to apply it onto our scalp. It does have a Ayurvedic smell, you know what I mean? It doesn't smell bad. I like fine with it. I guess I'll keep it for like 15 minutes or so, and then I'm going to wash it off. Till then, I'm going to talk about Ojiva. Now we all know Ojiva for their fitness products like supplements and protein powders, but recently they have came up with their all new range of clean and plant-based beauty products that includes skincare and hair care products as well. So they have created these products with high quality ingredients which are backed by the proven botanical sciences. So when they say clean beauty, they meant that all of their products are free of harmful and any nasty chemicals. Thus, what's inside is also mentioned in the label as well. That means they are very transparent and all the ingredients are mentioned in the label. So there is no hidden surprises for you. I chose to go for clean beauty, and I guess you should as well. It's been 10 minutes now, and I'll just go quickly, have a shower, and I'll be back with you guys with the result. Guys, I'm back from the shower and I'm feeling so fresh right now. Like it was a very good bath session for me. Like I feel so relaxed right now. So yeah, I'm not going to blow dry my hair today. Actually, I never blow dry my hair, and I actually want to see how this hair mask is performing. So I'm just going to let my hair dry on its own. I'm not going to use heating tools or so. I haven't done my skincare yet because I wanted to share it with you all, and again I'm going to use some Ojiva skincare products that they have sent me. You can see my skin is pretty much like all over the place. T-zone areas are super duper oily, and I also applied SPF in the morning as well. It's much very irritating for me right now, so I just really want to freshen up my face right now. So I have two of their products with me. So first is their Inner Glow Skin Brightening Face Wash, and next I have is their Skin Brightening Face Serum. And again I'm going to use the face serum for the very first time today. I have already used the face wash and I'm pretty much like it, but I haven't used the serum, so yeah. Ojiva Inner Glow Skin Brightening Face Wash is a highly beneficial skin brightening face wash that provides your skin visible glow and freshness because of its plant-based ingredients. This brightening foaming face wash cleanses skin pores with smooth exfoliation to reveal fresh and bright skin. It also helps your skin to repair itself, rectify noticeable changes, damage with rich antioxidant and controlled pigmentation. It also heals your skin barrier, resulting in a radiant skin tone. Let me tell you that my skin feels so soft and so fresh, as you guys can see. I mean, loving the effects, guys. So basically this has sandalwood oil, rose oil, glycolic acid, and also vitamin C, and also it has saffron oil. So that's the only reason why it smells so good. So they don't have any artificial fragrance to it. So if you're someone who don't like fragrance in the skincare, you might like this because this does not have artificial fragrance, so you'll be fine with this. Ojiva Inner Glow Skin Brightening Face Serum provides your skin with plant-based nutritive nourishment, and it is based on clinically proven data that you can see the results within 8 weeks of regular use. This powerful serum provides you with naturally glowing and healthy skin by reducing pigmentation and oxidation. Let's move on to the face serum, which is most awaited. You guys must have seen the packaging already. I mean, this is so cute. This is so cute, you guys. I'm very excited to try this. So it's written that take 3 to 4 drops of the serum, gently pat into the cleansed face and wait till it fully absorbed. Okay. Also, let me tell you guys that they have mentioned all their ingredients in the back of their packaging, which is really good. That means they are very transparent to us, as I told you earlier. It also has organic lotus flower oil, turmeric oil, essential oil, saffron oil. Oh my god, it has a lot of oil, guys. So I have a combination skin, so I hope that this absorbs in my skin as soon as possible. Okay, so it took few minutes to absorb in my skin completely, but my skin doesn't feel oily or greasiness. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this, thank God, because I was really skeptical, like, you know, it has a lot of oil, so it maybe make me look greasy, but not at all. I'm loving the feeling, and it also gives me a beautiful glow to my face. Can you guys can see that glow? Oh my god, I'm absolutely in love with this glow, guys. Product details will be mentioned in the description box, so do not forget to check them out. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do right now. I think I'll just wait till my hair gets dry. Until then, I'll have my lunch. I'll watch some Netflix or YouTube, and I'll be back when my hair gets dry. Hey guys, so I'm back and my hair is completely dry right now, and I haven't used any kind of heating tool, guys. This is what my hair looks right now, and oh my god, I absolutely love this hair. Like, it has volume, and my hair seems very healthy. Can you guys see that? It feels very healthy, you guys. Scalp feels very clean. Definitely get that hair mask. I wasn't expecting much from the hair mask, to be honest, because I have used a lot of hair masks, but nothing ever suits me really well. But I think this suits me well, and also I didn't had any hair fall when I was shampooing my hair. So yeah, I think I'll use it more and more. So back to the vlog. I don't know if I'm going to have any snacks right now. Like, अभी 2 घंटे पहले ही मैंने lunch किया था, and today also I'm wearing this cute halter neck top, which I got from an Instagram store known as Dream Closet. This looks super cute, you guys. I absolutely love this top. This feels so cute. Like, I'm not a big fan of halter neck, to be honest, but this is my first time wearing one. I'll be mentioning details in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. Now I'm just going to see like what snacks I'm going to have. Either I'm going to order outside or I'm going to make at home. So let's see.
A few minutes later.
Hey guys, this is the future me. This is me after my dinner just got over, and I totally forgot to update you guys. Like, video इतना fast चल रहा था ना, तो मुझे update करने का time ही नहीं मिला. So after I had my snacks, I started binge watching YouTube videos, and then I started also editing few videos of mine. Like, there were a lot of pending content which I was unable to edit somehow, and I've just finished it off. So yeah, so after that I went to make dinner. तो मैं अपना dinner आज खुद बनाई. When it comes to food, I'm a very choosy person. तो मेरे कुछ अच्छा नहीं था, so I had to make something for myself. So I made chili paneer. So till now, if you are watching this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. मैंने पता नहीं vlog में बोला है कि नहीं, but please do subscribe to my channel, because if you like this vlog, you know, I'll keep making these kind of content, you know, every now and then. So yeah, I'll quickly show you how I make my personal favorite chili paneer. Excuse the lighting, guys. So I have paneer diced, and I have marinated with ginger and garlic paste, some corn flour and salt. And now I was just cutting off lots of garlic and one chili, because ये बहुत ज़्यादा तीखा है, so I just put one. I usually put two because मेरी मम्मी और मैं खाते हैं, but today मैं अकेली खाने वाली हूँ, so मैंने एक डाला है, and lots of garlics. So अभी यहाँ पे तेल गरम हो रहा है, and I think गरम हो चुका है, and now I'm going to fry those paneer. Okay guys, so I have cut the onions in this dice size. I like to keep it thoda sa crunchy, so I like it to keep this big. And I also cut these capsicum shape. I don't know what to call it, like I don't remember. शायद G से कुछ start होता है. थोड़ा सा ही मैंने capsicum लिया है, क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा capsicum खाती नहीं हूँ. And our paneer is almost ready. It's crisp enough. I'm just waiting it to be more brown, and then we will start preparing our chili paneer. So our chili paneer is almost ready. I like to eat dry chili paneer. Do let me know in the comment section if you like gravy wala chili paneer or chili chicken or dry. So yeah guys, I just had my dinner and now I'm off to sleep. पीछे कुछ मत देखो यार, पीछे मतलब PR पैकेज पड़ा हुआ है. I'll obviously clean it up कल या परसों. And also I got this cute little diffuser right over there which is like very cute. It's in lavender, like it smells अमेजिंग. ये मुझे PR पैकेज में मिला था लॉरियल की तरफ से. सो या दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडेज़ व्लॉग. आई होप यू गाइज लाइक दिस व्लॉग. अभी के अभी लाइक कर दो एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दो. सो या आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble.